Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to listen to your music while playing your favorite game on the Xbox Series X. Now for this to work, you need to install a music application on your Xbox. So I recommend you to install install Spotify. So all you have to do is go to the Microsoft Store and then search for Spotify. And then once you find it, select it and then select install application. So once the app has been installed, launch the app. And then you have to log in with your account. So for me, I already logged in. And then now find the song you want to play. So let's say for instance, this album, just play it. So once the songs begin to play, then now you can go home and exit the app and then find the game you want to play while listening to music. So let's say for example this game, so launch the game. So once you launch the game, you should hear your music playing on the background while playing the game. So whenever you play the game, the music will be played on the background. So now you can decide to skip this music, or you can decide to pause this music at any given moment. So all you have to do is press the Xbox button on your controller, select that. And then from here, find Spotify. So this is Spotify. And then from here, you can press the X button on your controller to pause or play that music. And then you can use the Y button to skip forward. If you'd like to skip forward, you can use the Y button on your controller. So just press the Y button on your controller and that will skip that particular song. Now to adjust the volume of that music, all you have to do is select Spotify. And then now you'll get to this point. Now you can reduce the volume of the music, or rather you can increase the volume of the music, or you can reduce the volume of the music. So adjust the volume to suit your needs. And then from here, you can also do something like shuffle the music, rather shuffle the playlist. And then you can go back, you can go to the previous song if you want, or you can skip to the next song. And then also you can decide to enable repeat songs. You can enable repeat, or you can enable repeat for that particular song. So that's basically it on how to listen to your music when you're playing your games on the Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.